enter the woman matter because by 2
the woman
by 2:30 then finish.
You see that woman wetin I go advise that woman na Nigeria me dey Lagos o na Lagos I dey o abeg no ever dream am.
I said yesterday was yesterday, today is another day.
If you dream see say you dey Nigeria, wake up and pray against that dream immediately. Rebuke that dream immediately. Not even talk and comot for your man say they call Nigeria o. No try am. Because me when they here, I be yesterday I tell you who say I want come that side. No try and come Nigeria. That country Nigeria, whether they don't sell them, take the change. They don't even share the remaining money. They just put the change for pocket. Nobody know yet. No dream of, if not dream, if you see them, pray against that dream not to come to pass. Please don't come to Nigeria. You have opportunity to make yourself be what you want to be wherever you are in the Western world. Not in Nigeria here. Oh, I beg. No matter the situation when you see for Western world, no carry back they come here, no be here that they carry back verse come on for here, you they carry back they come here. No verse come here. Oh. Keep your anger there. Maintain waiting brother Austin and which everybody they tell you here because the host when they here, no be say no fear advise you. He want may you hear from your people, may you know say waiting you they pass through, no be everybody they clap hand for them. Your mother feel they clap and follow that man. Not me say everybody go clap and follow him. Because they see some mama when they want make their daughter. Even though they do a lot of work, it not concern them. So for that money they come to them. They don't know waiting they pass through. Some wicked mother, and they will knock their hand for chest say I'm a mother. Not be everybody when push pikin be mother. Baby machine day. Baby machine day. Sure you understand? Baby machine day. Sure you understand? So wetin your mama do so it no make sense and that your husband dem no be husband. Maybe he bring you come. I know one and no be insult, but he bring you come they treat you as house girl. Now wetin he use you do? And come on, they road they wait for them. I'm not praying bad for your children or anything because anything when you do to person, you must the reward they wait for you for front. So please. Here waiting everybody they tell you here. You are still very young, 26 years. You still have more things to do in your life. You never even reach 40, never reach 50. People when even reach 40, reach 50, they still get hope. Talk less of you when be 26. Just follow all your aunties and mama in the house and papa in the house advice. And work with it. Keep that love because for my mind, I dey look say now you get love for that man, no be that man get love for you. All the case where they see here, now they get the love, no be the man because man when get love for woman, no go behave this thing when they do so. They no go behave this thing when they do so. So kind news where they hear. That's why they pray malaria no go bring host down. Now that kind of prayer now they pray because if you bring her down, all una problem they know if they bring her come here. Oh. Person when they sick bed or when no well no fit attend to you. Oh. Now that prayer you go they pray any malaria when you want meet up. Make them share am for us when not they listen to those things. Make we carry a cure am. Make it they sound 247 to answer you people because every day if I once day break I dey prepare myself bath eat dey wait for host make e come up because I wan hear another story wey happen for the day.
Okay,
that is me for you because wetin you
the trial from Nigeria sir we dey try well. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Wait. I know people say TikTok they chop data. I say let it eat the data. Let me get some information where they get here, because information where they get here, they remind me of when I was a police job.
Mit meine Geburtstatum geht out.
Everything is not about money. Host, I beg, madam, listen to the papas and mama and sister in the house and papa and everybody. Please listen to them and follow their advice. You don't born.
Yes, I mute her.
I know say if you don't born reach 4 or 3, that one is okay for now. Face your life, make you meet up. Thank you, host.
Thank you. Cashman, who tell you say this platform is meant to write this kind nonsense when they write for here? Who tell you say this platform na platform where they talk about Igbo, Yoruba, Edo, blah blah? Who tells you na here? This platform na wrong platform for you. What you go do now? Better waka go front. You see us here? We don't define the whole people were there for TikTok. Okay? So here, we are very unique here. It's when you come, you don't ever see comments. Say they insult anybody for here. Who try to maintain that standard. My brother, or may you be man. Before I descend on you now, carry your bag and baggages. Just leave this place now. Now, just go now. Here not where they mention Igbo here. Mention Yoruba and this thing. Igbo for the platform. We are global platform. We don't do all those nonsense here. And where did they do? I mean, not they stay there and they wash them.
No tribal.
Better just move now. Come on for here. I don't think I can tolerate you. Let me help you out.
Bros, maybe you don't go. Maybe you don't know. You don't go. Like first time.
I don't want to see a comment here. Make I put comment for mute. May go the batting hand for may go the watch out without commenting. You go the batting hand. We don't do that here. You carry down now ignorant come here.
Hey.
Don't do that here. Anywhere that they do that kind of thing,
in a very hard way.
We are global platform.
Hey, they will learn in a very hard way. I never know when they come. Oh God. No nonsense for this side. No nonsense. You don't talk anyhow.
We don't tolerate that thing here.
You don't write anyhow.
Now my people are the respect though. Now the respect.
Next person, please.
I don't know anything.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Network girls, they do you bars, bro. So sorry. I see you since.
Good afternoon, host. Good afternoon, mommy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
I said today I no go work. I go stay here till the night.
Now your village people come they visit you. They bring you come down.
Now they bring me up, they bring me down. Thank you so much. I know say every time not they too much they watch you, but the time when they get, I they like your vibe. Oh. They try. God go bless you, eh. God go bless you. Even like say you don't tell when
bros, you don't they make her dey shy now. You go so hide face.
Thank you. I take the airports, especially the women. Thank you so much. Before we not get mad to talk. Many women now don't get mad to the talk now. We don't get mad to the talk. But what will make me corner because of our sister. I don't cry tire since. I don't cry. I don't tire. Some women wicked though. Some mothers they wicked. This Europe money. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know. But what I want just talk is say that our sister me not lose hope. Now she wants strong. She goes strong for herself. She goes strong for the children. The children need them now. If he carry himself go Nigeria, he go put himself for 6 feet. Because since he enter Europe, he never get 1 naira when he does sell for Nigeria when he save. It is another mother when he sell her. Now human traffic now they do for Rambo. Now the woman do and papa and the man. So which money she save when she go Nigeria now she go say she want bring her out, she want use her start business. e not dey. E not there for anywhere. She need to stay here. And she need to go some maybe dear Coney anywhere go report. They go help her. Jama they help well. They go help her. Jama is the best country. They go help her, make she come out. She not even need to stay that house again. Since she come this country, nothing. She dey cry every day, no pain. Nobody to help her. That woman don't cry too much. She don't feel so much pain. Before she come out, can't tell you, what did that woman don't pass through? It's too much. I even tell you, say, sir, I beg, not even talk the matter again. Because I don't cry, I don't tire. I don't know what I want to do. You go even call the man, say me buy food, call me bring money. The woman go even come, go even beat her. This man a beast, He pass beast. Which kind human baby this? They see this kind of things. I know say man they hurt women well, but I never know say this kind of thing they exist. Man go carry woman lead down for day and night. He go outside, come out, come back. The woman go see lead down. Oh Jesus.
For Germany.
This one too much, This one too much. It too much. Where the woman want for start, where he want for end. But he get the ending. Now he want end the marriage. Now he want end everything which she dey pass through. Now she want end. You see that children, everything where that man they do that woman. The children they see her, but for now they no fit speak. After the woman don't come up for that bondage. Now, if the children can't they speak, now that time the woman go even surprise say, that means say these children they see what they happen ever since. The woman go even surprise. The children they see everything, but for now they no fit speak because the day inside line your house. Now line your house they because they no fit speak, but they see everything. After I don't come up for that house now, before the children come fit they speak. Now kindergarten everything for the land kindergarten, school. If the children go out with a friend, now that time everything go the land. But now the children no fit talk because it be like say they use needle. They sew their mat now. They no fit talk.
All right.
After they don't come up, before the children come they talk. But for now they no fit talk. But make the woman just find any way when you go take come out for that house, they go help her well. Chama they help. This will not be Nigeria when for come say they not they help. If you will even marry, say we go even go meet our family, they go even drive us, go meet the man. Don't say you go must die for them. No, German not be like that. But I don't know for other country, but this Deutschland when I did, they not be like that. Frau house day. If you go Frau house, start from there. They'll come look for house for her. Look for somebody who go they help and they translate and everything. For now, no need work. She no need work at all. She'll first go school. Come out. First they read all this 1, 2, 3 when she no know. All this alphabet and all. You'll first use that one to start first. She no need work for now. Say you want carry yourself go Nigeria. What did she want go do? Me not try now. Because if you go Nigeria, that children not go ever look for her. They not go ever look for her. Never. Because for now, if he stand for his children, they go love her till that woman die. But if he come out, leave that children, they not go ever forgive her. They not go forgive that woman. May she not just try and say she want go Nigeria. May that thought just come up for her brain. Me not even they reason that kind of things because why are they talking? Some mothers not be mother, sir. Or not be all mother be mother. I want just talk a little things from my own experience. It don't tell when I try to talk to host, but they always they busy. I never get time to talk to her. I get this kind of problem, but not relate to this our sister. If your mother stand for you for your marriage, you know say that marriage, you know say for your life you are the best. If your mother not stand for you, just know say your life don't finish for this world. When I get problem for my own marriage, my own family, they say I go must die for them. No where I
Bye.
die.
You
I must die for them. They tell me say, may I just not be for Europe, therefore put my
More 3 minutes, please.
not be for Europe, therefore pay my bride price. Oh. May I just remember saying now Nigeria therefore pay my bride price. May I just remember for this Europe thing I die. Anything will make me call Nigeria. Now that time they go tell me say now Nigeria therefore pay my bride price, not before Europe. As far as say German government don't dey join me, may German government just continue to dey join me, they go. May I not ever carry my leg come Nigeria. You know what I do? You see people when they say me apply for the marriage, I block all of them. For a year plus now, I don't know whether I get brothers and sisters. They live my life, they go. Because all these brothers, mothers, family, at the end, now they go see ask you, so since you dey Europe, what do you use your life they do?
Oh, somebody they insult you, I bet check.
Okay, make I observe. I'm gonna continue, no worry.
Oh, it's better.
Continue.
Me
Keep
just
to your
block
time.
Continue, make I
That
observe.
is that mama not be better mother. A very useless woman. Oh, so I'm sorry. Oh. That one not be mother at all. That one not be mama. Even thought say, waiting if father do to her, even pass that one. So you can't believe say because say you die for your own, may your pikin see die for your own.
Use bye.
May your pikin see die for your own. Which can you might be that woman evil be? You know, even pray, may your daughter even marry better man. Because of say you live that kind of life, may your daughter still live that kind of life. The first thing go block him, mama. In fact, make it change his life, self. Number one, he go change his life. Me not call any of his brothers or any of his sister before he go take decision. Because people will go encourage them, like many pass. People will go say, no, what everything go better. Come out, not come out. You go confused. You not go know you not go know the right place where she go. Make it block everybody for Nigeria because they not get anything where they want contribute for your life. Make it block them. You see how this in Nigeria, when would they come? When we stop them? It's too much. We will not they call Nigeria again. Even if we will not even give our family money for 1 month, they not they die. Now they even they live where past us when even they Europe here. But what they panic say, oh, our family for house, so we try say may they even eat this month. May we even try say may we even go give them something. Now that they live well, they okay pass us. They okay pass us. We will try to they block many people for that Nigeria because it be like say they use us do Sarah. The day when you come out for Nigeria, now Sarah and they use us do. Sarah, when they say Sadaka, now they use us do. If you feel cross that Mediterranean Sea, you enter Europe. You don't know what God do for you. You see that Mediterranean Sea, you don't know what God do for you. Because say you can't put family for head. One of my sisters
Thank you. Your time don't up. Oh, no verse.
Sorry, mommy. One of my sisters tell me
Don't give
say
you 2 times time. Be like say you know they look up. I beg.
okay,
people
sorry,
dey wait.
mommy.
Horse go
My
soon.
sister tell me say, may I go Europe? May I go marry Oyibo? They not say may I marry black. At you see, they say why I not marry Oyibo? Why I marry black? I beg my sister, you get life to live. I beg, not go Nigeria. I beg, come up for that house. I beg, now beg, they beg you. I beg, host, I beg, help this our sister. I beg, she need your help. Well. She need your help. And mommy, beg, please, now both of you. She need your help. Both of you help. I beg, no na help her. She need una help. I beg.
Okay,
Anyway,
thank you
we
very
na
much.
help her.
You say you they call me, not be my fault, my sister.
I know,
Sometimes
yes.
I dey see some calls. Sometimes you're tired.
When I call you, you can't tell me say somebody call you. You can't date the line with that person. You date line with me.
I did like
No,
with
for
you.
no sure. You got the listing for that person. You the listing for my own self.
You see,
and you even don't work that day.
Okay, God will bless you. Thank God say you told the truth. You know, I never know who someone first talk to. I got to say, okay, I not call the concentrate again. One ear block, one ear here at the drive for work. So no worry. If we get time, we will talk, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. No
And
problem.
that day will give you
No.
more time to come talk to us, yeah.
I'll talk. Oh. I'll
Okay.
talk. I want me free myself. I go talk.
Okay, that your number, eh? I don't change phone, no. But if you write me, I'll feel go see your WhatsApp again. Just try write me for your WhatsApp, okay?
I'll write you.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you
Sister
so much.
Teresa. God bless you.
Bye bye, everybody.
Okay, bye-bye. Ciao. So now see Anna say she don't confirm her. Not be only here with the talk. Oh. Even my private life, they see the wrong entire side. You know? Okay, exceptional B. You are welcome, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone in the house. Brothers and
This
Good
one you,
afternoon, bros.
in
this one you
diaspora.
load today.
Now, well done, no. No, now walk
welcome,
now.
Good afternoon.
I carry person go airport. My friend where they travel. They
How
are
many work you they do?
No, I carry my friend go airport. They travel today. So as I drop and finish now from
Okay.
there.
I just say they do taxi.
Yeah, not be me. I no get power. I no get waste way taxi motor they finish. My sister, you are welcome. You are in the right place. Hospital where they go give you Bobo Miche and give you herbs where you go cure am. You are in the right place. God bless you. Everybody where don't contribute to now don't tell them what you go do. Make it sit down. If you they go down Nigeria now they hot like fire. How much
No,
you get
Joy
to
don't
carry
talk
go?
already, eh? Lady
How much
Joy.
you get to
Make you
carry
don't
go?
talk.
How much do you have to take to Nigeria? We go carry you. How much you don't say so far? Now this one will they talk inside. All these men where they do this thing, they are old people. Old fools, I will say. I don't have any apology to render. How will you bring in 17-year-old person? That's not abuse now. Now abuse. If I may ask, how old is this man? They go tell me say now 45. You don't they go almost 50. You go carry your great-grand pikin, they come Europe because you need blood tonic. You know if you buy for chemist. This is evil.
Oh, Jesus.
More all these things, what would they do? One day we go buy.
Blood tonic. Underline.
And what you want to tell God? Say we do children abuse. God do everything what would they do? God they watch. God is watching. What you do to person pikin, they go do it to you. You go receive your own. Now in 100 folds. Sister, you too. I go blame you small. I not go blame you well, oh. I go blame you small. Not be everything where our parents talk, not being with they listen. We don't match. We don't they get sense. So picky way don't fit. No say that they change pants. That they change shirt. Huh? He suppose don't get sense small. You see all these vampires where they come, they give money for to now back home. Those ones where they FYP where they listen for Nigeria. Mokuna listen well. All these men where they nurture now, where they groom now with money, they bombard now with money with iPhone Pro Max. A day we come, you pay for it oh. That is what now dear sister say herself now. Now pay they pay back now. Because the man will calculate everything where take carry and come. He go calculate food where he go where he don't money where he don't spend for your own family. Go calculate everything. Anger now go bounce back to the poor girl where don't know anything. And papa and mama, I ain't loyal. So let's be very careful. If you get sister back home, open their ear well. Now this one they call grooming. He groomed the small girl. Now he groom am. He come root and come. They go come cage them for dungeon. In the rest sense, this man, they suppose arrest him. Now strong child abuse. Now he do. Sister, You say you won't go back home. When people they carry, as my police brother talk, people they carry kaya, they run. People they run go Ghana. They run come out. Anywhere belle face that they run come out. You say you they run, they go back where fire they. My sister, that one not be the right option. No. Now very big mistake. And if you leave your children, God not go forgive you. Before you come back, those children, they don't lost. Oh, the enemy don't lost. Not be them. They not go ever forgive you. You think say they go remember you na lie. Now that man go reap everything, go reap the whole success. All the one way you don't carry, 9 months where you don't carry. You answer about how many children? All in vain. The only thing you can do, submit that man to the appropriate channel, authority. Give him to police. That man is a vampire. Why you go give him to police? We say, make him no do unto another person because he already program himself. He don't program himself. Another person go enter this trap now where you don't enter so. Because they get formula. If like say they get cage. If you want chop chicken, you go one cage. You carry the chicken, the best chicken. Then you eat them. You want eat again, you go enter cage, carry because now you get that cage. And that cage where you get, because you get money, where they take, they buy them back home, now it be the cage. Anytime you need any woman, they go find out the best. He go take them. If not virginal, he go take them. Then he go come here, come they abuse them. Sister, don't go anywhere. Remain where you are. Submit his head. The foolish bagger, give him to where he's supposed. Now zoo is supposed there. You not supposed their house. Make them zoo him for station. Then by the time he come out, if he go ever come out, his eye go clear. You need to wise up. 70 years. How old are you now? You don't go 20 something. And you are not a baby.
26.
I don't know what they make una fear.
26.
I don't know what they make una fear. You know they watch television.
Oibo, I don't make a like Oibo. Oibo too smart. Oh.
Which day una go open eye? You know they fear when he carry you go inside house, they say, oh yeah, takiri. But when he reach where you go open your mouth, talk to authority, you go the fear, they're not going to deport you. Open your mouth, talk. Forget your papa and mama, that side, just forget those ones. Blacklist them. Cut their communication. Your life first. If you love your children, your life first. Thank you very much. I rest my case.
Okay, no, never rest. Bro,
What I do now?
try. Thank you for the submission. May God bless you, my brother. Exceptionally, may God bless you.
Okay, bro.
You don't say as they talk the
Question time.
No.
As they talk the come, I just write everything. Because this woman, if I reach work today, or if possible tomorrow morning, today not possible because the husband feed the house. So tomorrow morning we will talk to her.
Okay.
So you mentioned
First one.
blood tonic.
Blood tonic.
How blood tonic can't concern what we talk for here?
Why I say blood tonic, bro? You see all these people, they know they carry their age mate.
Yes.
Because old age mate and old mate now give and take. You see these small ones, their blood still fresh. So you want use them. Many of them now secret society then do. That they use and they renew themselves. Now what our sisters no. Most of these people, they belong to secret court back home. They belong to now me they talk. They belong to secret society back home.
Okay.
They are vampires. That they most of them.
Okay, you mean the blood tonic now?
That they use and they renew their selfish or cortic.
Okay. Okay, I don't understand that one. I'll write that one down. You still got another one. You say, patakiri. What does that one mean?
When they want, how I go take put them now? Host, you don't come again, no.
No, I want to also, I write everything down.
When madam enter inside blue light, when they enter inside, I don't go call her red light. When they enter inside blue light, they don't take light. When they don't enter private room, For whom? What did they do?
What will happen?
Exchange of
Touch me, I touch you.
exchange of
Okay, now be this patakri.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless
I
you.
see go now.
Touch you.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can go now. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. You don't come, oh.
You touch me, I touch you.
Exception of you don't enter one chance. If you don't enter one chance for my heart,
If I not touch back, now I be saying
because they beg mommy be me no be help for heart. Voila. We get sister. What's your name? You write 2000, join your name, oh. Year 2002.
now the man where they up, whether now Obizu, Abio Bezes.
No, you don't be able to talk since, so that'll be the first person we talk today.
I
Yes.
don't know if I did here.
They're from US. So we get this woman
Okay,
from
use that 20, Abi.
That'll be used I be right about things they confuse.
Yes.
When I you'd see something like that. What's that doing? What did the mission host? What did the mission host? What's happened?
Now the other room,
It's a host must still know everything. I don't be jot at the jot down. I want same person advice. What about the one when he forget? I will go tell her later.
Please, my lady, more now mute on herself talk. Oh, time is going.
So who want to make it talk for up and
I
down?
want
No
to make
problem. Because of time, please.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, my sister Isabella. I see you.
Well done, host. Sister Benny.
welcome, ma.
Well done.
Good
I
afternoon.
hail everybody. Oh.
I hear you too.
God. If person just the
Don't
yes
drink
or
water.
my sister, don't drink water before.
Because this your voice today, I don't understand.
My sister.
Amy King.
You get some
Thank
kind
you.
story where you just hear, you go just
Go weak.
you just weak you dey like na human being. Now they go through this kind of thing, you know, like I don't know, for abroad for that matter, abroad.
Abroad where they say me we can't open eye. Gbe bom your oko.
It's so,
Now one black man can they use your own sister as slave. Very bad, very sad. Very, very sad. Very sad.
I don't know why these people get this kind of mind towards somebody they call them their wife or who they love.
Sister, if na Kokobiri do this one, they're not gonna let person hear word for you.
Kokobiri. You see how they don't want to marry us. They go meet to Kokobiri. They go meet another people. They will start to badmouth these people.
Yes. Then them now see what did they happen to their self.
See, this kind of people, they cannot love anybody because they don't even love themselves. They don't love themselves. Their body, they don't love her. That's why they cannot give it. They cannot give what they don't have. As in, what did they get now? Hate. Now they get for their body. Now make them see they give her out. But it's so painful, say, mama, because everybody wey dey here, women wey dey here, know wetin pikin be. You know, how pikin dey more special for us mothers. How can some people now choose money more than their own pikin? I can't understand. I just dey here since. The thing they want. I mean, a person wey beside the quick they get traumatized. Little things like this go do they traumatize me. I'm like, how is this thing possible? As on why I talk just now, say if you don't reach work. You know, when you don't dey quiet place, that how this thing will go they come through your mind. Like
Yes.
Yes. That's
You
what they
know?
do me too.
go they come through your mind. You dey at times I don't dey feel
Because they
sleep.
think.
I go dey think.
They do me well.
Oh, Salobua. And people go see come under comment section, come they write bad things. It shows this. You are that person they are talking about. You are the same. Like the guy where a park on the ask question just now, where come the where write to this our brother Prince say now he said the guy not get shame. Now make me even climb up safe. Because when that guy write that thing, I go a platform. Epa, you know what he did that guy platform? Everything bad. Now your day platform. Not be good person. Not be good person at all. So when those kind of people, when they see you, say you they do opposite of what they do, they feel bad, they feel sad.
Yes.
Yes.
Go they vex, they like, who you think say you be? You feel say you be Jesus Christ? Now make they attack people like all this our brother where they fight for.
Na network,
for women.
na network, bros.
One thing when I want just talk, thank you to everybody who don't give advice here. Thank you, most especially our host, we stand as a father, as a senior brother, as a husband. I don't know as I want to even classify you.
Brother,
Just want
husband,
to-
uncle,
everything, grandfather, godfather, everything. I just want to thank you.
godfather.
And all of us we don't climb up since still bring their own opinion, their own advice. I want to say thank you so much for standing for a little child that does not have anywhere to run to. Imagine where pikin sit there, im mama sit there alive. You know if you run, go meet the mama.
Who you want run to? Who you want come run to?
You go run to. Now that one they pepper me for body. I guess 16 years old pikin. I see they carry my pikin like baby. Not be saying na autism pikin no. Everything dey correct for a body. But I dey imagine as how we say na girl now. One man go come call me say, I like this your hello.
Hi.
Over the me mo na go momo. After you go tell me say mama, if they want go sports, gonna basketball player. If they want go sport for far distance, because we they stay for Munich. If they maybe the day they go another, I go say I want follow am. 60 years big. You go tell me say mama, person when me want follow Wakaso. He talk past me. You they think say na my junior brother. Me go say I want follow. You go say mama, don't worry, I can go with my friends. I see they look am like baby. Now one man go come. I will say na girl. One man go come say mother, I like this your pikin. I can say carry am go abroad. Carry am go, marry am. Then you go, you no go even see care about the pikin, a welfare. Ah God, we not get mama again. We dey cry say, upon us say we be adult, grown up adult before I lose my mother. Now just 5 years ago I lose my mother. I say they feel pains. Say, oh, I will say I get mama. This one I get mama. Mama they alive. You no care, no send the pikin. Hell, Salo boy. Where all these people hearts? Where they? Where they tanya? I don't know. Who take can change and put another thing there? Pikin where all okay, so all of us were there now. All of us we get pity mind to this child. Not be we born now. The person wey born am not send now because of money. Oh my God. Well, my beautiful sister, if you are here, wetin I will just tell you. I not get too much the way I want to tell you. I want to tell you, say, be strong. Take the advice of everybody wey dey talk here, and take this our host as your senior brother now. Okay? If you get anything where they bother you, just try and call him. Because you need navigator, somebody that who can navigate you. Yeah, we thank God for TikTok. Who can navigate you? What do you need? You need strength. You need courage. No fear. And this your age where you did, so I don't first date this kind of age. Where be say that time. Now who carry me come, they disturb me, my mama and me. I know how they be. Your mind, you not gonna know what you want do because you see they very young. But what you need now, it is prayer. Tell God to direct you and be strong. Gather mind. Be strong. and make our host to be your father now. Where you go, if you don't know what you want to do, you don't get who you go talk to, just try to call him or drop a voice me. Or if na Mama Benny, if you get her number, so that maybe if a pa not there around or they busy, so that you'll see person where you quick talk to. Because if person they go through this kind of thing, you need somebody to talk to that moment. Where go give you courage, where go make your mind strong again, and you go get hope for life. That's the only thing I will tell you. And I pray God give you that strength and may you get peace. Not leave those children, no. Not leave those children. Not leave her. If you narcissist you they deal with, you go turn your children against you. You no go, your enemy go come suffer for nothing. So I beg, try and do everything where people they talk. Yeah, the one where you fit take. God bless you, the people where did this house. And God bless this our sister. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome, sis. So
Thank
I
you
can
very
go
much.
down
God
so
bless
that
you.
person
Thank
can
you,
go
thank you,
down.
thank you.
Come up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, sis.
So,
That you know, Jay.
Iyenoge, unmute your side if you can.
Okay, everyone. Maybe they try to keep to time because before you know now, the time don't reach. They try to keep to time. We would they give each other here. Thank you.
Keep to
Yeah,
time.
no, Jay. Are you there?
Hello. Yeah.
Okay, good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Host, I so want to thank you. At least this platform, I don't dey follow on. Everything where you dey do, God go bless you
Thank you.
so much because I dey work. I go face earpiece to take listen because my friends they always they share am to me every time. So let me remove my earpiece. So I always dey follow up every time when I dey come. Different news, different thing. I say,
Okay,
now this
okay.
planet, now all these things they happen. I be na another planet. Now all these things they happen. They shock me. This girl, I think say na yesterday I see works past. Today, now another one don still come. I say,
Tomorrow night
wetin
was
dey happen?
myself.
For me, for this woman, make Ijofe forget about a mother. There is nothing where go fit do where mama go say yes. To even start with, first of all, mama don already do taboo for the family. To even they sleep with pikin, the father of a pikin husband, that one na error. So he supposed to just know. I know say if they want carry them come abroad, na different thing that they go they tell them for Nigeria. Once they don't put that thing into their head, they know they look, they know they investigate any marriage, just jump enter, say na abroad. So as he don't see himself like this, for her to run, leave his children, not be her advice. Make it just kukuma run with his children, save his children alive, save himself alive. This man, he no go ever change. That's what we want be. Once they don't start. Now the opportunity say they poor, he go fit ride the girl anyhow way he want. I mean, that time where we they grow, they come. We they hear say, for Nigeria, say 17 years old, say he no go fit go husband house. Wetin he learn? Wetin he want go show for husband house? So me they see say 17, they will say he enter marriage. Me, I hope I enter marriage, I no fit stay. Small pikin wetin he get when he want go offer for marriage. So the thing really dey surprise me. And may God help this my sister, make he feel comot. He still get many life to live, make he no go die, leave his children, make he comot, make he find way. How he go take give the man to police. Na only that one, na him be thing wey e go fit do as a moment. Even though he get money now, if he no see waka well, he go still lose the money. So may he just cool down himself, then find for another alternative, which is going to the authority and report the man, so that him with the children go fit stay here, take off his children will get better life for here. Because if he go to Nigeria, all of them go gang up. See, deal with the girl, wetin make am call Nigeria. Now the same problem wey pursue am for abroad. Now he wan go still meet for Nigeria. So my advice to am, make e cool down, make e comot, go save himself and the children. So now that one way I get. May God bless you all. God will continue to dey bless you abundantly.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
very
your
much.
patience. Thank you for everything. Thank
God
you.
bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So,
Okay.
bye.
Bye-bye. So, next person, I'll be so glad if we can do it so that we close earlier. I'll be so glad. So,
Can I talk?
yeah, talk if you are ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, continue. Golden
Good
white.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
When I not tell me today, I beg. I never
No, go tell
come on
me.
life for a very long time. Man, I not
No
tell me.
verse.
I beg. I know okay. No, I know okay.
Okay, continue. We
I
dey
know
hear you.
okay.
Oh yeah, continue.
Okay, thank you. I greet everybody for the house. Open a day, okay. I miss everybody for a very long time. I never come online. I'm just emotionally stressed, but thank God I'm fine. So I not only there when you start the story, but into why I don't hear. I want just emphasize on the part of the mother. For me, that not be everybody supposed to they call mama. Not be everybody. When I did Nigeria, there was no say they when I call talk about my husband because in a village I for group. Me, I person will say I thought where I thought I grow past my age. So then we not get money now. Where money they now farm until they survive. And these people they come, they meet my parents, they tell my parents, all those old men will come from abroad. They'll say this will be key if I know, see if I marry. Because now just listen to that part like so this thing really so not true when waiting me weakness that time. The next when I go here and I shout, now my pikin you want marry, you this old man, what can I enter abroad? No matter even people come every day tell my parents say, let them carry your pikin now. You know as this my person would rather they drink this gari than say me this hold my carry my pikin enter abroad. Now me, although say now me by myself you strong get come on for us, they don't know. Even when my parents father say I dey here, they tell me say they don't care. May I find way come back house because they not send me abroad when I go. May I find way come back. Just imagine say the mama say you first of all sell that girl out. Come on. I beg, shout out to all the mothers who be say they stand for their daughters, for their female daughters. I salute you now. I beg. So I not just get much to say. But siblings, I don't know whether them to still contribute, but your mother sell you out for just for granite. Your mama sell you to that man for granite. Now she sell you to. So your mother and your first enemy. So if you want to build your life to get your stand, first of all, block your family. Block, especially your mama. Just get her for my so you not get mama. Just look and say these people where they this platform. So now them be your mama now. Now them be your family. I don't know the family for come. My sister, 17 years old, you are too small to even sell you out. Imagine point with all the year at the age of 17, 18, 26 years old. Your mama now still they talk. I don't know the advice. Maybe your daughter they call your mama, they tell her say, oh, see what the man they do me go say, stay there and I carry enter abroad. God no say, but I control my mouth because I watch one video where host do cut to say the student na want to make una me I call what they my mouth I want to may not be like say I request person mama because I guess with mama oh hey mama good I just dey control my mouth me I not talk wetin I'm not supposed to talk. I don't want to come. For that man, my sister, if when next way that man go do violence to you, you don't even need to press a camera record. Just a normal phone record, you just touch him. Even though say the phone they lock, if you the record or if you just drop her for pal anywhere, you go the record with the voice alone, you they keep the conversation. Because I still tell my friend, and I wish that girl to me, I just I hope say she'll stick on this platform, still tell people about her story because she too still they go through the same thing. Before say man go big town, ambulance go police go come, go say, oh na so I kidney for meter, and na so I eat test time. All those like at the end of the day now when the guy beat her to stupor, the police corner they just say you again, they just drag go back. I swear now what they do that girl that they say you again, they drag go back, ambulance come out. Now what did they do? Now I say, Shebi, you see yourself. You say, I beg, I don't tire. Now me, and guess what? Not be sensitive. Now I sit there for call police. Say this time around, this girl don't made up her mind. Say, see what she want to. They can say, okay, they can't get to go back. They reach there, they can't call ambulance in case maybe she dey injured or carry her go hospital. They reach there. Okay. They reach there. Only for them to see, say, this girl locked door. She not let police or ambulance pass. Now, whether if now this people break door. Okay.
Not to you.
Okay, sir. They call this girl, make this girl open door. This girl not open door. They call say not be this person you call just now say me they come. Now as she finally pick up. Now cause if you no open this door, they will break your door enter. Guess what? They will collect that your bikini with damn door. Collect that your bikini. Where we see they say they don't say you know what may they carry. They try to protect you for that man. They carry her reach hospital. They say she sign paper say this boy beat all of this thing. He said no, so not the first time the body beat. Now police say you say what? I mean you know me that she don't come this hospital with bruises. You just say we don't know. So they come cause she not say cause they don't mind this girl. Most time we see they don't try to help her. He go say now so now the boy will change. Guess what? Now what she they go through with this one. So now they don't want to believe her again. They don't want to care about her again. So they cover for man where they boss you. When you come finally need their help tomorrow, they'll say you are not serious. That girl, if you call go Miss Oceana, they'll say, Vieni domani, come tomorrow, come next tomorrow, today they don't close all those stuff. They're not the minor again. So my sister, when next time you cross your mind, say you do ready to throw this man into the lions, they just deal with that man, just take him off your mind. First of all, you do not get mama if I don't know, I dare you go. If you can take me as a mother, I'm a very sweet person, girl. I'm nice, so I did good. For God, it's small big but I can act as a mother to you. And everybody, every woman where they here. Just put that man in this whole place. First of all, find work. I know whether I work, I don't know which country.
Why not add John and say be a woman?
If I tell her, if I be a woman, may I put down I be a woman.
John, make she know.
So now that ash also. That one